Months ago, I started on that XR back there, 350, talked about it in the video, said it's going to be an ongoing project. Just wanted to show you where I'm at real quick with it. So this is the carb that it came with. As you can see, some broken pieces. I had the bulls off and it's JB welded. It's missing jets. So I had ordered from eBay this nice looking, let's just cover that up a second, look like brand new carbs. Now I started to look at them and I paid a little too much for these. There's a chip right here, and then I saw this. Freaking body's cracked. That's the only thing. And then someone was prying with a screwdriver, but that's whatever. So I may try to take this body, because it isn't broke, that's just a casting mark, clean it, and maybe just take the guts, everything out of this carb, put them in this body. You can see I don't have a choke or nothing here, but I have everything. Now I should be able to make one carb out of that. Here's the piston that came out of it. I don't have the cylinder here right now. Pretty rough. Rings are sharp, so I'm gonna bore it. I'm only gonna go 0.5 millimeters bigger, because it didn't really scar the bore or nothing. It just needs bored and honed. And here's the engine sitting. I just have the crank felt good. Need a cam chain. Crank probably isn't perfect, but it didn't have any up and down play that I could do by hand. So I'm gonna run that bottom end. And for right now, that's just how the frame's sitting. I found seat foam, a company that makes the seat foam and cover. I could buy plastics for it. Again, ongoing project. Probably gonna have $1,000 in this freaking thing. So thanks for watching this quick update video, and stay tuned if you want to see more videos for the XR350R, because that's the only project I'm working on right now. May do some of my chainsaw stuff yet, but that's not probably why you subscribe to my channel. Again, thanks for watching.